Hello friend, my name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel Bro Learner. Today we are going to download and install MongoDB in our Windows 11 machine. For that, first of all open your favorite browser and search MongoDB download and then hit enter. Here you can see the first link www.mongodb.com. This is the official website. Open this link and after that you can see we have try free option, sign in option, and when you scroll down you have two version, community version and try MongoDB Atlas, which is a paid version. Now here you have to choose the community service, okay, server, and after that click on download. It will take a few minutes and after that it will start downloading. It is of a 482 MB. Maybe it take more than 1 to 2 minutes depending on your internet speed. Now here you can see MongoDB is successfully downloaded. Now just double click on it and it will start installing. Okay. Now here just click on next and read the term and condition or license agreement, and after that accept it and click on next. And here you have two option, complete installation or custom installation. I'll recommend you to choose the first option, which is complete installation. Click here and after that you have option now here you can see install MongoDB as a service, and this is the first which is by default. Just take as it is, leave it as it is, and after that you can see service name is MongoDB and data directory is program file. Under program file we have MongoDB, under MongoDB we have server and then version 6.0, then data, and we have log directory which is program file MongoDB server version log. Okay, now after this just click on next and click on install. It takes some time and after that it will install. Have patience. Okay, full installation, just click on finish and here you can see the MongoDB shortcut. Just double click on it. It will open MongoDB UI. Just click on start and here you can see we have localhost 27017, and after that click on save. Now here provide the name whatever you want. I provide MyDB. Click on save. Now after this here you can open the connection and after that click on this plus icon and here provide the database name. For example, I provide student and then I provide here class. Now here I provide student and class, and after that click on create database. You can see we successfully create the student database. In student we created class. Okay, now here we can add data with the help of this plus button. I can import from JSON or CSV from my local directories, and we can also add data from insert document. Now here you can see we can provide here ID and then we can provide the field, and we can also use this symbol, and after this we use this plus icon and add the field. For example, I choose roll number, roll, and here I provide roll number hyphen number, and here I provide 01, and then I provide another field which is name, and here I provide Amit, and similarly I can add another, then I provide section, and here I provide A, and then click on insert. You can see we successfully insert a data with object which is the unique ID, object ID, and after that we provide field roll number, name, and then section. We can edit with the help of this button, and I can change this roll number from 1 to 2, and we can update it. And similarly we can duplicate this. Similarly we can copy the document or we can duplicate. Just click on insert, and you can see we have same copy of previous data, and but but here you can see the object id is different, because whenever we create a database, then it will always have a unique id, okay, which is object id. Now here we can also, with the help of this delete button, we can delete and click on delete. Okay, now here we can also add another collection name teacher, and after that we can click on create, and we similarly add data, remove data, and so on. So this is how you can download and install MongoDB in your Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.